What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DJ TAJ Jersey Club track on FL Studio. Now, before we start, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. Now, I have this track by G Making and Natsufuji called Freebie Part 2, and I'll play you it.
Hey producer, I'm G Making, yes I am, and your beats are entertaining.
We're gonna first time stretcher to the beat, so I'm gonna find the BPM. Remove the silence by trimming it. Add the metronome.
Hey producer, I'm G Making, yes I am. Producer, hey producer, I'll do it justice.
Alright, now I'm gonna set the mode to stretch. Increase the BPM.
Producer, hey producer,
change the pitch.
Producer, hey producer, I'll do it justice. Superman, I was gonna pay you, but I said fuck it.
DJ TAJ likes to not make too much of a subtle difference. At times, like to chop up the instrumental. So we're gonna have first 8 bars as the original, and we're gonna chop it a little bit over here. So first, I'm gonna slice this. Get this over here. Now, I'm gonna set this as unique. So let's put this on the mixer track. Set this on the track. And now you'd have this playing as normally. We're gonna add our usual delay, little reverb. And we're gonna have a short decay. We're gonna increase the low cut, increase the size, cut the diffusion down a little bit. Up a little bit. Now this part right here, I'm gonna bring these down because I'm gonna use this as the main loop, so it's gonna sound something like this. Now we're gonna find some vocal chops. Now, because G Making sings along with the piano, it'll be easy for us just to match it up. So, okay, so we took off some parts that we want. I can align it. So first, change the line, the grid to line, then start chopping. So first, I wanna get the part I wanna loop. Now I'm gonna go into the NapTime drum kit. Lay down the 808s, and now we're gonna find a part for the vocals. Now I'm gonna add a playlist, and I'm gonna use that as a placeholder. And now we're gonna just do this so we can duplicate it in fees without having to mess around if the time is correct or not.
Are entertaining.
take that same placeholder, we'll duplicate like this. And now we'll do this. Now we're going to duplicate the placeholders and just copy the minor chops so we can easily duplicate them. So it sounds like this. Now we're going to look for some more vocal chops. Do some minor chops here. And now I'm gonna go to the Jersey Club Essential drum kit and pull out some chants. And now we're gonna go to the Casio one shot. We're gonna pull out some perks from there too. Now, what Taj likes to do sometimes, like you would have the perks and like cut everything off. So I'm gonna do this for this example. So I'm gonna cut out the third bar right here. And now we're gonna start like chopping up some spaces to allow the perks to breathe. Taj is more perk orientated, not crazy amount, but like just enough allow some groove to sip in. Not too heavy on the chops, just more of the perks and the overall groove of the song. I'm gonna let the perk turn off the cancel perk. I'm gonna bring in that fish hook. Make some adjustments. duplicate this right here. Now we're just gonna chop this a little bit. Now the reason why I'm using the Jersey Club drum loop is because it already has a nice thick sound and we don't have to do too much processing. Now you can really hear the groove in this track, and that's what Taj really likes to emphasize. Now I'm trying to mix in the 808s again. So now we'll play from the top. And the reason why we wanted to play it from the top is to see how well it transitions. And the grooviness of this is interfering with the transition, so I have this play out normally. Now you see how smooth it came in here compared to the previous section. Now we're going to add some more elements. We're not going to go too crazy. We're going to have it smooth out the next 8 bars. And now I'm gonna bring back the original song and it's gonna drop like this.
Hey producer, I'm G making, yes I am. And your beats are entertaining, yes they is. Let me get it, I'll give credit, you know I will. Wasn't talking about some credit or some debit. No, I don't got that type of hey producer, I'll do it justice. Superman, I was gonna pay you, I was, but I said fuck it. I'm sorry. Man, I know you, understand. This is struggle, invest in me so I can go and get this grant. I want the
And that's it for today's video. The main thing to remember is the groove. The groove is very important in DJ TAJ's tracks. We didn't do too much grooviness, but we had some just to catch a vibe too. Another thing is not to over complex things. So that's it for today's video. I'm gonna do an Ableton version of this as well. But let me know in the comments below what else you would want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.